And put use to them. Oh, another pop of orange. So cute. Yeah. Ugh, don't you hate when that happens? But yeah, just flip through all your magazines and just find your colors. Find whatever speaks to you. Ooh, Bella Hadid. So here, pink is not necessarily in my color scheme, but I do want pops of pinks in it to put against the whites and the reds. So I'm definitely going to pull this out. I think that would be super cute. Ay! Ay! Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's a pretty good cut. All right. So I actually love these. These are my favorites. So if you have a lot going on, a lot of patterns and colors, and you know, it's just looking all over the place, you can just stick one of these in the middle to help tie everything together. So definitely pull these out if you're going with the same theme with me. If not, make sure you pull out your base colors. But this is my base color. This is so simple, and it's nice to see like a Saint Laurent in the. It's very bougie. So. Love these. See, I absolutely love this one. I love this one. This is Kate Spade, New York. And all the patterns and colors and pops. This would be such a great theme to play around with when taking a photo shoot, because it can really bring out your outfit and just draw the eye in. So like Kate Spade, Gucci, they usually have pop. What's another one? I can't say that. I can't say that. This also, for example, like look at the two together. Like these are so fun. All the patterns and colors. Just amazing. I think this is so fun. So if you're confused right now still and don't know to go with, this is another great idea. Instead of playing around with the colors, play around with patterns. This is amazing. I'm probably going to pull this out and put it up there because I'm just in love. You know what I love about flipping through old magazines? I just recently saw this outfit, this jumpsuit on sale at Nordstrom. Just recently, and I was insulting it because I was like, that color's a little too much. But seeing it in a magazine, seeing it styled and posed, it's a different perspective. It can help you out style-wise, and I love it. I'm gonna put the link to this if I remember. And I'm also gonna post that Nordstrom video, but I just saw this on sale for I think $30. So right now I'm having a oh wow moment. Like, I saw this outfit and I really said, oh wow, I paused. It's so beautiful. It's something that I can create myself and I just aspire for. It's just a gorgeous outfit. So when you have a oh wow moment and you see a beautiful outfit, like beautiful pieces that you can arrange yourself or you like aspire to do, just rip it out or tag it and put it in a separate pile. So we're gonna have to do that. I already have my separate pile full of outfits that I absolutely love. I love this so much. So I'm just gonna put it right here and save it for later. You're gonna see what we do with that in future videos, but make sure you pull out all oh wow moments. Everything that just makes you go, I want to wear this, I can wear this, this is so me. At this point, when you accumulated a large stack of all the pages you pulled out, now we're gonna arrange it. So what I like to do, I like to just pull out some random ones. I think that's nice. These all incorporate my color. And let's do another green. And I start to arrange it. Make sure you have enough room. I like to take up the whole table space. And I just start playing around with it. Let's see. Don't be afraid to layer them on top of each other or even cut them. I'm going to cut some out a little later on, but just play around with it. So this one I'm actually going to cut because I don't want the Gucci in it. To add like layers and volume, I would like cut out wording, or I would cut out an actual person. I actually have some pre-cut wording. So like this is some wording that I have cut out. I guess. I don't know why they're cut so ugly, but they are. You can even use this that you just cut out. But that has that. So I finished the beginning part of the collage. I got a great arrangement going on. The next step is to take all these and put it onto the wall. And here's where the tape comes in. Try to work with a blank space. I've already created a majority of my collage, but I'm going to be adding on. So try to find a blank wall if you can. And with the pre-made collage that we did on the table, we're just going to tape it right up onto the wall. So easy, so quick. That's why I like pre-making it. What I do is I usually lay out the whole table with the collage, but I work in little sections so I don't mix things up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and you guys can watch. Love it so much. I'm probably going to keep this for a while. So beautiful. So next step is to do the photo shoot. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready and record that process too. So for the theme of this photo shoot today was denim. So I brought out all the denim things I could find. Unfortunately, because of quarantine, I couldn't go out to any thrift store to get any denim pieces. So I found denim jackets and just made them to dresses and stuff. And it was cool. I wanted to do a nighttime photo shoot and I wanted to look a little bit more high fashion. So I brought in a chair and I just did some sitting shots. So if you're gonna duplicate this, I recommend just having fun. So like drape the clothes off your body, play around with the clothes, just play around with the chair, stand on it, sit on it, crouch on it, fall off of it. Just do all the things that feel great. And this photo shoot was so cool. I enjoyed doing it. It's my first time doing an at-home photo shoot and I think it was a complete success. So I hope it all worked out for you guys. It totally worked out for me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video of me taking photos of myself. So I'll see you guys later in the next video. Ciao.